sing here. Here comes. That's it. Okay. Right. So just check that out on the learning file, girls. Okay. So you're absolutely sure of it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, the home, the first one, it's not quick. It's actually like a full quaver.
It's a quaver, yeah.
Yeah, as opposed to the other ones, which are.
The others are
semis.
yada yada. This one is home.
So don't rush
It's
it,
much more relaxed. Yeah.
Sweet.
Right. Let's take the altos now. 1, 2. Rest. 2, 3, 1, 2. Rest. 2, 3. Rest. Breath. Okay, now Margaret, we're going to run it line by line for you, okay?
So it's basically just up and down.
It's
Oh
just
yeah,
two
it's not
notes,
difficult,
really.
but just
Yeah.
to know what it is, we'll run it line by line just so you know what it is, okay? Right, so the first one is a held note on B, and then star is only a beat and a half long, and then you let it go, okay? So try that. Make it and 1, 2, 3, star, 2, off, and full note, hold it, 3, step down, 2, off, hold it, 2, 3, falls off, 2, 3, 2, off, held for 6, 4, 5, off, and then slowly home. And it basically is the alto, famous alto, 2 notes or maybe 3.
That sounded lovely.
It is lovely. Yeah, it is lovely, but it's not the most rewarding to sing, but it does sound lovely with it.
Sir Frank, or is it as?
No, it's as at the
At
end.
the end, yeah.
But
and
the
just
first part is may it be star.
Yeah.
For
Down,
shine down,
down.
down. Yeah, sorry, Rebecca, you do it because you know.
Okay. May it be star down you. Yeah. Oh God, I've lost it now.
Then
Jesus.
falls.
May it be falls.
Heart true.
Yeah,
Yeah, and then
and then Oz,
Okay.
Yeah.
and then home at the end. You sing home.
Yeah, but just make sure as well, the home, make sure you kind of repeat the note that you were just singing before you drop down, because I thought I heard someone drop down a bit early, so just be aware of that, okay?
So it's home.
Yeah.
Same note that you were singing the on, and then you drop.
Okay. Thank you.
Right.
What's the title of the song? I never did this before.
You didn't do it either, Noreen. My goodness.
No.
It's called May It Be, and it was sung by your compatriot in Donegal, Anya. You know Anya?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I know Enya, yeah.
Yeah,
I
it was-
like Enya.
It was the theme song to the first Lord of the Rings film,
Yeah.
and she sang it.
I don't watch Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, well, just letting you know, it's just point of interest.
Yeah,
Frank,
that
can
wouldn't
I
be my
ask-
cup of tea.
Could I ask, do we sing heart true or just heart true? Like,
That's
do we
very-
do
I
one
think you
T
should sing.
or
I
two?
think you should have the 2 T's because
Two
this is
Ts.
kind of a classical style singing. Yeah, yeah. Heart true.
Is this song on the files?
Yep,
Oh
yep.
yes, yeah.
All on the files.
Yeah,
You'll find
okay.
it under film,
Yeah, that's okay.
musicals and film.
Film hook.
Yeah,
Okay.
the musicals and film folder will have it in it because it's from a film.
Okay,
Okay, let's try
okay,
the
thank
men. Yeah, let's try the men now. Okay, so lads, we start. Maybe we start up high. 2. May it be star down you. And in the 4-part version, the basses go down to down, which is what you did, Paul, the first time.